Don't be like baby, baby, baby. Ah! See, baby, baby, baby. Ah! I hate you, Justin Bieber. Wait, there's a wasp nest in there. Get out.
My name's Rita. Hello.
Annie and Izzy are with me. Shut the door. Shut the door. I have to do it. Okay, bye, guys. That was an annoying video part 2. Have a good day and don't poop yourself. And Annie and Izzy are here. Izzy's in the office playing Roblox. Okay. At my house on my Xbox. So, if you want me to do more annoying videos, if you like annoying sounds, then leave a like and subscribe and say do more annoying videos. I'm a sucker for subscribers!